Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 2011 Matchbox. And today we have a Hummer H3 from the Outdoor Sportsman set series, number 83 of 100. And I've opened this before, but it was a black one. It was kind of recent too. And they were a pair. I kept them as a pair forever. So I figured, why not get this one open too? And I'm not sure if there's going to be any kind of differences except for that paint job. You can pause and read that if you'd like. Alright. I really like these Hummer 3s. Here's my daughter Julia. Hello, Julia. What are you doing? Just playing in the yard? Alright, we got big water. Big water rafting. Not sure if that's a real place or not, but if you live near a big water rafting, let me know in the comments below. This is made in, oh, I know it's on there. My eyes are getting bad as it gets dark out. Not sure if it says it on the bottom there, but if it does, you'll see it. I'm done looking for it. That green you see right there is all metal. Come on, get clear. Plastic bottom. Thailand, I see it now. All right. Awesome Matchbox sound. Nice comeback right there. Whoa, wipeout. Whoa. It's a drifter. Yeah. I'm liking this one. And it's not as cool looking as the flat black one, but it is still cool looking. It does make it into the Timmy's 10 Again toy collection. And if you know of a big water rafting, comment down below and tell me where it is located. T10 out.